I want to explain to you now how to do the preposition practice or preposition identification practice sheet. So I made a video and explained to you in this video the rules of prepositions and some example sentences of prepositions. I showed you the list of regular prepositions as well as the list of compound prepositions. That is found in this video right here, marked Q2 Week 1 Prepositions. Now I want to show you the preposition identification assignment that you're required to do for this week. So if you click on the Google document, here are the instructions. Read the following excerpt from The Sword and the Stone and identify the prepositions by highlighting all the prepositional phrases. So I'm going to do the first paragraph with you to give you an idea of how this assignment is to be completed. First of all, let's look at the first sentence. Silently, the old sorcerer led the king to a balcony and pointed upward. As we look at this first sentence, we have a prepositional phrase right here, to a balcony. To is the preposition, and the word balcony is the noun that follows, which is the object of the preposition. So I'm going to highlight that whole prep phrase, to a balcony. And then in that same sentence, I see the word upward. Upward is on the preposition list. However, upward is not followed immediately by a noun or a pronoun, such as to a balcony. So upward is standing alone. Because it does not have an object of the preposition right after it, it is not a preposition. This word upward is functioning as an adverb in this sentence. So I will not highlight upward because it's an adverb, not a preposition. There overhead was a great dragon formed by the stars. Here we have another prepositional phrase. By is the preposition. By the stars is the whole prepositional phrase. And stars is the object of the preposition by. Next sentence. Its vast wings arched over the countryside, and its tail swept beyond the horizon. There are two prep phrases in this sentence. The first one is over the countryside. Over is the preposition. Countryside is the noun that is serving as the object of that preposition. The next prep phrase in this sentence is beyond the horizon. Beyond is our preposition, and horizon is the object of the preposition. Last sentence in this paragraph. You see by this sign, my Lord, this is that it is not I who calls for your son, but destiny. There are two prepositional phrases in this sentence. By this sign, by is a preposition. Sign is the object of the preposition. And the next one is for your son. For is the preposition. Son is the object of the preposition. And the word your is functioning as a modifier, an adjective modifying the word son. So for the rest of these other two paragraphs, you will read through each paragraph or each sentence and highlight the prep phrases as you find them. Remember, in order for it to be a prep phrase, it must have an object of the preposition. Okay, I'm going to close now. That is all I want to cover. Once you complete this practice sheet, go ahead and submit this. You will want to create a grammar folder in your Google Drive. And once you do that, I want you to go back and drop this document after you complete all of the rules and example sentences and fill in the chart with all of the prepositions and the compound prepositions, all 15. Once you get this chart completely filled out, submit it in the assignment tab, but also drop a copy of it into your grammar folder. This is going to be your study guide sheet as you're preparing for the quizzes in grammar. There will be a prepositional identification quiz next week. And then at the end of the 9 weeks, we'll have the prepositions in addition to other parts of grammar speech that we cover this 9 weeks. Okay, that concludes my discussion over the prepositions. Please listen carefully if you need to listen to this again. And then please be very cautious as to how you complete your organizer chart and how you complete the pronoun identification